Is that good? Okay, that's perfect. Yes. Okay, guys. Hi. Welcome to another video. I'm your girl Kirby Row. Row, whatever. Thirsty. Okay. So today, we're gonna be going over one of my favorite go-tos for my clip-in extensions. And I've been waiting. I bought this like maybe 2 months ago, and I just, when I see it, I pick it up because sometimes I go and I don't get my 1B color. Oh, I didn't get 1B, I got one. You see? Because I always be sold out. I'm telling you. Okay, so this is my go-to clip-in extensions right here. You can see it is called the 9-piece textured clip-ins. The style is Game Changer 10-inch, and it's by Curls, Kinks, and Co. Yes, this is synthetic. Yeah, by Sensational, but the line is textured. Curls, Kinks, and Co. And this is my go-to clip-in. This is my favorite one because I feel this is the closest to my hair texture, which is I wouldn't say 4cc, maybe 4bc, but definitely not just a C. It's like a B/C. You get me? Okay, so I've normally worn this all back and then have a headband or something. But today I have done the middle part before and I really liked it. And of course we're gonna just we're gonna have to zhuzh up my hair and we're gonna have to zhuzh up the weave out. Zhuzh up a little bit and see how that goes. Okay, stay tuned. So, ooh, I love this. Like this is like I'm gonna get another one, probably like another 2 this weekend because I just, if you want to see what the curl pattern looks like, let me just move my water out the way. There's a curl pattern right there, and there's the information right there. There you have it, right there. Okay. So it comes with 9 pieces, like I said, 9 pieces. So you have 2 pieces of 3-inch, then you have 4 pieces of the 5-inch, and 2 pieces of the 7-inch, and 1 piece of the 9-inch. So the 9-inch has 4 clips. I have 4 of these little clips, and then all the 7 pieces have 3. The 5 pieces have 2, and then you have these smaller ones right here. The 3-inch, they also have 2 clips. Normally, I do... First of all, I've been wearing my hair like this since my hair was like a lot lower, like a lot shorter than this. Like I didn't have anything at the sides. That's how long I've been wearing. I started wearing these clip-ins, but now the hair's growing a little. So normally, what I would do is I would just gel it all down, but I don't want to do that today. I don't feel like doing that today. So I'm not going to do that. So instead, we'll just leave it as is. And yeah. Okay. So let me cut. I never have a scissors here. I'm so thirsty. Sorry, guys. Woo! So what I'm going to start with is, I always start with the 9. Now oof, it's packaged real good. It's packaged real good. And I'll take off. It already looks like kind of, I don't know. It looks weird. So yeah, see, this is like kinky curl, right? So, oh, where's my mirror? Baby, I need my mirror. Reorganize my little studio here, and it's an absolute disaster. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Yeah, why? Okay, the AC's on. Don't deny me. Please forgive me. Okay. Oh Lord, here comes trouble. So let me see where I'm gonna put this. Let me just clip in. Boom. Okay. So I'll show you guys. I just snap them open like this. Then I'm just gonna add it to the back and press down, lock it in. Okay. Yeah, they have these wires on here that are like, they're a bit much. Okay. I'll show you again. See there. There's your 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Just snap them open. It's really easy to do. This pack, I usually get it for like either $39 or no, I won't say $39. $40? Yeah, I think $39 or $45, something like that. At my local beauty supply store.
Daddy, Mommy, I love the smoothie.
You like the smoothie? You like the smoothie too, Caleb? Mommy's just doing a video, guys.
What video?
Hey, hey, Caleb.
What is Mommy?
nasty. Oh, what's wrong? Watch me. Okay, hello. Now, what is? Okay, battery's about to die. Okay, well, this is what it's looking like, guys. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So this is just the leave out here. And basically, we're just gonna finesse. I'm gonna have to probably put gel. Because... Oh, God. Finesse. I don't know, guys. I don't know if this is right. Oh my God. Hey, what are you doing? No. You want to play again? You're playing your body. You want to play your body? You want to play your body? Just go. So there you have it, folks. I'm going to put some more gel here. Just a little. Oh my God. Just so the texture can match. All right. So this is the finished look. My camera's gonna die. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.